Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get a new menu on Roblox. So first of all you have to open Roblox Studio and get the new menu, guys. Click on File and click on Beta Features to uh, and just enable this enroll in beta channel and click on Save. And now you have to restart your this studio again to test the new beta features. You just need to click on test and you will get your new menu in the beta feature. So let's got it. One more thing we need to do, we have to go to again in file and go to in beta features, and now we have to also check these options to get all the features of beta. So it, and just make sure to get check this updated Roblox control. So it will change the UI if there is any change in the beta version. Click on save and click on restart now again. Now after enabling all the features, now you can see that this is a new menu on Roblox. So it is very similar to the previous one, but the screen of or the background of the menu is not transparent anymore. So and if you click on this cube icon, it will show you many options like the chat, and basically the chat option will not be available here. So it is basically the Roblox team trying to minimize the and remove the as much as possible icons from the game screen, and you can report anyone from here as well. So this is a new. I don't see any major difference in that, but basically uh they have just keep all the option in one, and so it will remove all the unnecessary options. So if you want to access any option, you just need to expand, and otherwise it will be collapse and give the minimal options or the menu on game screen. So yeah, that's how it looks. Hope you like it. And if you have like any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Till then.